Part 1. Use foam to check for air leaks between the pipes fittings and the recovery unit. We have 2 pipes in total. One of the pipes is connected to this fitting. This fitting is custom made. One end is connected to the recovery unit. The other end is connected to this pipe. The cylinder we are connecting now simulates your switchgear. The inlet pipe is connected to the left inlet port of the recovery unit. We use our custom adapter here. The right side is the outlet port. The outlet pipe also uses a custom adapter to connect to the recovery unit. The outlet pipe connects to the recovery cylinder. Part 2. Operation instructions. First, turn on the power. After turning on the power, a green indicator light will appear here. Now, on the inlet pipe side, let some gas in first. Let this light turn off. Okay. After letting some gas in, this light will turn off. After it turns off, then open this button. After that, you can start the unit. Why did the color of the left light just change? Because the outlet port is closed. After closing it, when the gas comes in, it cannot exhaust out this way. After it cannot exhaust, the pressure gauge pointer will go very high. Then there is a protection device, so the light changed color. Now I release this gas. This light will change back. I released the gas. Look at this pressure gauge. After releasing the pressure, it is now normal. Now open it halfway. Now we begin. Too small. Open it a bit more, then adjust the inlet flow. This valve controls the outlet flow rate. After I close it, this side will stop. First, reduce the inlet flow a bit. After I close it, you see, this side will light up. This proves that the inlet flow is too small, so you need to open it a bit more. Machine sound. After you increase the inlet flow, this light will turn off by itself. Now let's test the protection device. Machine sound. Open the blue inlet knob. Turn the green knob to the recovery position. Slowly turn the red knob to close. It turns off instantly. Okay, this way, inlet, recovery, and self-protection devices are all okay. After use, close the valve. Okay.
Thanks for watching the tutorial video prepared by HD Yoga Manufacturing.